Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I'm standing in front of this pile of oak. It's been sitting here for a while. I've not cut any firewood in quite a while. I've been at the mill, but I haven't been doing much firewood. So I need to get this out of this wood yard. It's right in the middle. I'm going to work on splitting this up and getting this into some baskets so we're ready for next year. I do have next year's wood all ready to go, but what I'll do is I'll get my totes filled up in pallets, and that way it'll be for the next year. This wood was cut in a couple years ago. Hopefully you can hear me fine. It's kind of breezy out here today, and it's cool. It's only in the 50s, but it's supposed to go up to 70. This was cut probably about a year and a half ago, and my kids picked it up this April for us when we had our wood cutting party, and we just piled it right here. So we're going to get cutting and splitting this. As you know, I only have a SuperSplit. So as you know, I have a SuperSplit and this little splitter right here. Let me show you. I have this wonderful SuperSplit. This is the HD version. Very big fan of it. Much faster than a hydraulic splitter. Now, that's not a box store splitter, but somebody local built it. They built it. They had a company, and so I bought one from them. Nice splitter. Works great. After about 20 years, I just did put a new pump on it. And other than that, I don't think it's quite as fast as it was with the new pump, and I did redo the cylinder. But this SuperSplit will split circles around this. Now, this is red oak. I see a piece of cherry right there, but most of it's red oak. And just some odds and ends, and it's coming from that pile. So my plan today is just get a basket cut. I saw Jacob from Twin City Firewood this morning splitting on his SuperSplit, talking about cords per gallon. And he says he believes 3 cords per gallon of fuel. This is a Honda GX200. I think his is a 160. I have the HD version. He has the original version. But man, they're fantastic splitters. I don't think I needed really the HD, but I have a lot of stringy oak at times, so I've been using it. This thing runs great. I run it usually just a little over, just like Jacob, a little over half throttle. And I see a knotty one, then I'll boost it up and speed up the flywheels. But there's 2 90-pound flywheels spinning in here that moves along and pulls or pushes this ram forward. So there is some maintenance on these. You got to keep them oiled up. There's some bearings that you got to get in because it rolls on bearings. This has been outside a while. It got a little surface rust on it, but that will be gone real fast. And you got a little spot here. You just kind of have to keep clean. Just like that. That's about all I got to do. So I don't know how this is going to work out with the ergonomics of this, if it's going to be easy, but I'm going to split from that side and just toss it into the basket. So enough talking. I've been really lax out here lately. I needed to get this done a long time ago. All right. To be honest, this is middle of June. I haven't ran this thing probably 2 months now since our wood cutting party. So let's see how it starts. I'm going to assume there's petrol in there or fuel. I am going to choke it though. Look at that. One pull just to get it primed, and another pull to get it started. If you recall, a few weeks ago, I blew out my calf muscle. The black and blue is just starting to go away. That's the last of the black and blue. Man, that one set me back a couple of weeks. Didn't rupture the Achilles, but boy, did it hurt. It tore something a little bit. So I was all black and blue back here. Looks pretty good now. Just that last of it right there. So if you see me limping around, that's why. Not looking for sympathy. This doesn't have a log lift on it, but my tractor has hydraulic. But as you can see, I just dropped the logs onto my cutting table. I'm not going to like this setup because I'm walking around it. I guess I'll just throw it, no stacking. I want to stack though. We're going to stack it. So I'm gonna have some problems doing it this way too, because my bucket is on the tractor. I have to swap it out for the forks to move the baskets. But maybe we can do 2 baskets at one time. if I had a partner. Like my wife's out here, maybe she can, we could put a basket here and do 2 at a time. But this worked good. It only took about 25 minutes to split all this. I split these big. It's all red oak, and it's going to be at the max of my tractor if I can pick this up. I probably can. It's dry wood. Like I said, it's been down for 1.5 years. I mean, it's not ready to burn, but it's drier than green. So the SuperSplit ran great again. That thing, I love that thing. That, guys, I know it looks small and rinky-dinky. This thing is a beast. This is a commercial grade splitter. Watch Ohio Woodburner. He talks highly about these. And Jacob from Twin City Firewood, they love these SuperSplits. You can really do a lot with them. They're fast, and it's better than a box store, and it's a great entry level getting into that commercial speed anyhow. This would be an entry-level commercial for a homeowner who wants to sell maybe 20 to 40 cord a year. I don't sell firewood. Well, I take it back. I do sell some of my slabs, and after I split them up, and I also use that for my cabin. I only cut and split right now for myself. I went down the selling firewood before. 1 year, I think I sold, me and my buddy, sold almost 100 cord off our property. Just with that little orange splitter right there. That's all we had. And that was over the course of the summer. We made it that was a nice time, but you know, that was 15 years ago, and the price of wood around here hasn't hardly budged. There's still people selling it for, believe it or not, $150 to $200 mixed hardwood, split, delivered. Why even get into it around here for that? I'm not going to sell it for that. But I do like the idea of the bundle wood and the roadside stands. All right, guys, take care. Hopefully, guys, you like this content. You know the drill. If you like it, all my new subscribers, thanks for coming around, checking us out. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button if you like the content. A couple times a week, I get out videos. I try to get out a couple shorts a week, and we'll see you later. Take care. All right, come on, baby. Let's come off the ground.